Hello everyone. Today we're going to be defining the vocabulary terms from regionalism and naturalism in terms of the second half of the list. And oops, I don't know how that happened. So hopefully you can copy and paste the words that you need, and we'll do them in batches as we go. Here are the first 6, and on this list is a word that we really don't hear at all. It's a word that actually means disgrace from some kind of really shameful behavior or conduct. And that word would be opprobrium. If you think about it in terms of story of an hour, Louise, in a way, is very worried that her feelings might be deemed as an example of opprobrium, somewhat of a disgrace, something that is shameful. Sorry about that. Shameful conduct. Why does she feel this way? Because she's actually experiencing a degree of joy when she's thinking about the death of her husband. This is a word that works perfectly for the kind of storyteller that, or the kind of stories that Simon Wheeler tells. They go on and on and on forever. What word is that? Interminable. Lasting a long time. Just his story about Jim Smiley took pages and pages and pages. Of course, the narrator can't wait to get out of there fast enough before he starts telling about a one-eyed yellow cow that had no tail. For some of us, the story itself is marked by jocularity. It's marked by silliness, joy, telling jokes. Anything that's known for its jocularity is known for bringing laughter and joy. One thing that we try to impress upon each other is that success is measured in many ways, but one really great way to look at success is whether or not you're leaving behind a great legacy. So a legacy is something one leaves behind, something from the past. You can look at a gift as a legacy. He had a legacy to Harvard. He left a gift for them. But it's something that's received from someone else after they die. And if you take a look at the variety of material that we have read this year, hopefully you're pretty proud of yourself, because we talk about a myriad or a variety of different genres and different styles. So a large number of things is a myriad. And then I think you've probably heard the word oblique. If we allude to something obliquely, it's not done directly. You know, it might be done subtly. It's not stated overtly or directly. It's kind of oblique. Okay, in our next bunch of terms, there is a word here that means worthy of disapproval. So her actions were worthy of reproach. So reproach is best defined as an expression of disapproval. It's an expression of rebuke. To find fault with something is to reproach someone. If you look at the unhealthy appearance of someone, you might notice their pallor. This is a pale, unhealthy appearance. We were disturbed by the pallor of his complexion. Go back to the open boat for a moment, and you might remember the use of the word phosphorescence. This is a light that is emitted